So Samsung launched the Galaxy M10, the M20, and now the M30. What it's trying to do is capture back the market that it lost to Xiaomi. But is the Galaxy M30 really that good? Is it offering you all the features that you need to be able to shift from a brand like Xiaomi and consider Samsung in this range? Is the M30 really that value for money? So I'm going to give you 5 reasons that I think the Galaxy M30 is a good device, and then let's see what you have to say about that.
So the first reason is display. The M30 has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, which we all already know is the best display tech that is also being used on high-end phones. The 6.4-inch display ensures that you get a really big screen experience, so whether it's watching movies or playing HD games, it's really just a lot of fun. Super AMOLED ensures that you get the most colorful, vivid, and saturated display that's full of popping colors, as you can see. And because it is Infinity U, you get this bezel-less experience, which is just so immersive. Now overall, it's just really high quality display at a price point that's hard to beat. And you get a screen resolution of 1080 pixels by 2340 pixels. That's crazy crisp at this price point.
Next, it's got a 5000 mAh battery. That's huge. It would easily last you more than a day. I mean, I would go to the extent of saying a day and a half. And it's got a pretty efficient processor. It's not too power hungry. So for all you know, it could last you 2 days if you are, a regular middle range user. Now, you also get a fast charger, Type-C cable and fast charger. Well, of course, you've got this massive battery, so you do need a fast charger to be able to fill it up real quick. So that's a big reason. Now, you might think that a big battery means a very big, bulky, thick device. That's actually not true. And that brings me to my third reason, that's the design and build of the device.
It's actually a quiet, sleek, lightweight, and ergonomically pleasant device. The back panel is plastic, which keeps the weight light, and the rounded edges, it actually makes it feel very pleasant, whether it's in your hands or whether it's in your pocket. And also, I feel the color options are pretty different. It's the first time Samsung has done something in this color tone, and I think it looks good. I love the gradient, depending on how light falls on it, it actually changes color. Also, it's a dual SIM phone, so it offers you the capability to run 2 SIM cards at the same time, and you can also mount a microSD card to expand storage by 512 gigabytes. Next is the triple camera system. Now the M30 has 3 cameras at the back. One is a regular 13 megapixel primary lens with low light capabilities. The other is a 5 megapixel depth sensor for live focus shots with beautiful blur at the background. And lastly is the addition of a new 5 megapixel ultra wide lens that lets you shoot a lot more in a single frame, and it's perfect for landscape photography. And here are some more shots that I took using the M30, and I have to say I'm actually impressed. Even at this price point, the phone is able to deliver a picture quality which is pretty decent. Now I also took some shots in the night, and you can see that the low light capabilities of the phone is also pretty decent. And the colors that it captures, I think all of that, given the price point of the phone, the performance of the camera is actually pretty good. And here's a selfie I took in night lighting conditions. I think you can decide for yourself whether it's good or not.
And lastly, I think the price is also very competitive. Given the features that it packs, the design, and the fact that it comes from, the house of Samsung, which brings a lot of credibility and very good after-sales support, I think the price is actually quite good. I mean, sure, you could have some trade-offs. You could have a phone that's almost equally priced and still have a slightly better camera or slightly better performance. But as an overall package, I think the Galaxy M30 offers just more value as compared to any other phone in this segment. Of course, design and build is something that could be subjective. I like this. I like the two-tone gradient that it has. I like the overall appeal of the phone and how it feels in my hand. And again, because it's Samsung, the R&D that goes into making a phone is just different as compared to any other Chinese maker. So, given all of that, I think the Galaxy M30 is a good buy. But sure, let me know how you feel about that, and if you have any qualms about buying any other phone as compared to the Galaxy M30. So that's it from me, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.